Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I'm doing a video on my grocery staples, I guess specifically Trader Joe's staples because that is where I shop today, where I mainly shop, and just talking about like making meals throughout the week for one or maybe two people if you're in an apartment, or even some of these things you can use in a dorm to help you eat a little bit healthier, but also eat good, you know? I'm definitely a foodie, so a lot of my money goes towards food. This is gonna be part haul and also just talking about like my staples, things to stay away from, all of that. So I did go to Trader Joe's. This is where I mainly shop, and I normally grocery shop once a week to once every week and a half. I go to Trader Joe's mainly, but if there's specific things I want that aren't at Trader Joe's, I will either go to Kroger, Publix, or Whole Foods. Okay, first with the produce that I do get at Trader Joe's because I feel like it's fine. Their bananas, super cheap. I like how they come sometimes a little bit already ripe, so very simple. I was happy I found a thing of 4 because I find when I buy like a thing of 6 or 7 of bananas, they go bad way too quickly, but then I just freeze them. This item is honestly the best produce item at Trader Joe's. It is their teeny tiny avocados. You get a 6 count for a couple dollars, and these are perfect for single servings. You can use one whole one to do like 2 pieces of avocado toast, or if I'm just adding avocado to a meal or to my eggs, I'll even do like half of one. As you can see, they're a little bit smaller than normal avocados, and these are just my favorite. Like seriously, so perfect for just one person. I do also just get these little potatoes, organic little round potatoes. These are super easy to throw in the oven, throw in the air fryer, meal prep. Love that. And then the other produce, I normally get some kind of leafy greens, so whether that's their kale, their mixed greens, or baby spinach. This week I got baby spinach to put in my smoothies, but a lot of times I'll get a mixed green to make salads with. I just had a little bit more left over. And then if you are looking for an easier way to get your veggies in, if you hate cutting up vegetables to cook, they do have some great options of pre-cooked vegetables, but it will cost you a little bit more. I got these just because it is a very busy week at my place. I have guests coming in and just don't want to have to spend a lot of time cooking, so I got these shaved Brussels sprouts. This was like maybe $3 for probably 2 servings in here, and you can just season them however you want, air fry them, throw them in the oven, whichever. My tip for if you're in college and trying to save money and on vegetables is to buy them frozen. So I get their organic frozen broccoli, and it is a couple dollars less than their organic fresh broccoli. So freeze it, you know, it's still the same thing. It's probably a little worse for you, but you know, you're saving money and it lasts longer too. So if you also have a problem with your produce going bad, get the frozen fruit, get the frozen vegetables. It'll be great. Going on to putting meals together, I basically showed you my veggies that I like to keep, and then I always love getting some salad dressings. They actually have really good salad dressings that are like $3. These are my 2 favorites: the Romano Caesar dressing, just a good Caesar dressing that has some Romano in there, and then this one's a different kind. It's the Asian style spicy peanut vinaigrette. If you're wanting more of like a Thai or Asian salad, this is really good to put on with some cashews or walnuts with avocado. It makes for such a good salad. As for protein on my salads, I'm a big chicken girl. What I'll do is if I want something really yummy and I'm in a pinch, I get just their frozen chicken tenders. They have lots of different kinds. I've had 3 different kinds. I haven't had this kind yet. These seem more like little kids chicken tenders. I've had ones that are more like, these seem more like chicken nuggets, like for kids, but you know, they were not too expensive, and these are fully cooked. I've had ones where they're not fully cooked and you have to put them in the oven. I've also had, I've had a bunch of their different kinds, and all are good. So I will heat these up and throw them on top of my salad just to have, or I will get their pre-cooked chicken that's in the refrigerator section. I'll see if I can put a picture on the screen. This is also really good, just for salads mainly is what I buy this for. You make a lot of salads at home. You don't want to be cooking chicken all the time or waste your cooked chicken. Get that pre-made grilled chicken. I did also get some raw chicken tenders. I like the tenders because I feel like it goes a longer way, and it's the same price as getting like 2 chicken breasts. So I got a lot of chicken tenders. I bread these, or I'll just grill them or bake them. And obviously you can meal prep. Works with a lot of different dishes. I also love doing with chicken, or you can do this with pork as well, is throwing it in an instant pot. I always call it Instapot. An instant pot with this sauce. This is the best marinade ever. If you want to seem like a chef, but use literally 1 step to marinate your chicken, get the Trader Joe's Island Soyaki. It's a teriyaki sauce marinade. It has a little bit of pineapple in it. So good. Literally one of the best items you can get to cook with at Trader Joe's. Their soyaki sauces and marinades. All right, so going into some dairy, I just usually will get some kind of cheese that I can use in multiple different ways. So this time I got these sharp cheddar cracker cuts so I can eat them with crackers. My mom's coming into town and she loves crackers and cheese. So I had some crackers left over, so I thought I'd get this. And I use this cheese, I would like layer this on bread to make a grilled cheese for a sandwich, put it like, just piece it up and put it in my eggs. I don't buy like shredded cheese and then mini cut cheese and then sliced cheese. Like I just buy one kind for a week or two and then use it in all the different ways. I drink 2 kinds of milk. I drink oat milk mainly in my coffees. And then I put the unsweetened almond milk in cereals, smoothies, everything else. So those are the 2 kinds of milk I drink, and love how affordable those are. And then bread lasts me a while. I don't eat bread all the time, usually just with toast or something. This is their sprouted wheat multigrain bread, and I put this in the freezer, and this is the 2nd loaf of bread I've bought, and I've lived in this apartment for like a month and a half. So just shows you I make my bread last. This is my first time buying their like turkey, but I just thought it'd be good to make sandwiches. It's an easy lunch. You add some spinach, cheese, and turkey to the bread and you got yourself a sandwich. Then for like carby stuff, I love their kale and cauliflower gnocchi. I didn't see that today, so I didn't get it. I just got this pasta that's, you know, will last in your pantry. It's their brown rice quinoa fusilli pasta, the gluten-free one. Yeah, just super easy. You literally you can add broccoli to this, add a marinade sauce, add like some chicken sausage that I love from there, and you're good to go. And then this is also a great item at Trader Joe's. It is their microwavable brown rice. You get 2 servings out of 1 bag, and it comes with 3 bags, and it takes 3 minutes, and you got beautiful brown rice from the microwave. That's literally all that's in here too. It's just cooked brown rice, so we love that. Another frozen item that's just so good is the mandarin orange chicken. And then Lucy and I also get their frozen like fried rice. And if you're looking for a little bit of a less healthy but just really yummy like meal like you could get at a Chinese restaurant, this mandarin orange chicken with the fried rice, so good. And you get so many meals. I get like 3 servings out of this and at least 3 servings out of the fried rice bag, and it's only a couple dollars. This is something I don't buy a ton of, but they do sell bars there. These aren't going to be the most cost effective. Honestly, I would not recommend snacking on these. They're like a $3 snack when you can get like a bag of nuts and take a handful of nuts, and it'll probably be like, you know, $1 for a snack, if that makes sense. But I did get a macro bar, a Z bar, and a 1 bar. And then I always get some kind of drink that's not just water. So I lately I've been getting a lot of kombucha. Their kombuchas are really nice, and I drink it like 3 times before the bottle's up, so I don't drink it all in one sitting. But this week I decided to get their seltzer water. This is flavored with cranberry and lime juice. And yeah, it has a 4 12-ounce cans, which is just perfect for me to have, so I'm excited to try those. And then lastly, I'm going to share about the things that I don't recommend buying that I do buy. This is why my bill this week for groceries was way higher than it normally is. I try to keep my bill around $50 a week, and I do cook probably breakfast, lunch, dinner, 5 to 6 days a week. This is the stuff you want to stay away from, okay? You want to stay from any little pre-made snacks like this, the hummus and crackers. This was a couple dollars, and it'd be much cheaper if you just bought a container of their hummus and a bag of their pita chips. But again, convenience, sometimes you want to pay a little bit more for convenience. I understand. I did it. Also, just like their pre-made salads and this burrito. This is probably going to be my lunch today, and it looks really good. It's the pollo asado burrito. Haven't seen it there before, but these are like, again, $4 or something. It'd be cheaper just for you to buy beans, tortillas, and make your own tacos or burritos at home, obviously, but convenience. And then, of course, like any of their little frozen meals, this just looked so good. I couldn't pass it up. It's butternut squash mac and cheese for just when I really don't feel like cooking one night, I guess. I don't buy this normally, but if you're having a get-together, a little party, especially, you know, with the holidays coming up, I love going to Trader Joe's for like their appetizers. Their fried mac and cheese balls are super good for tailgates. These as well. These are their Parmesan pastry puffs. You just throw them in the oven. They're a crowd pleaser. So good. So yeah, these are obviously not something I buy just for myself, but if you're going to a party, you want to bring something, you don't want to cook something, Trader Joe's is your way to go. Other than this is pretty much what I get. Obviously I have the staples here: coffee, almond butter, peanut butter, oats, that kind of thing. This was a big grocery haul. This is not usually what it looks like weekly, but it's kind of like I need to restock on some of my staples kind of thing. And so I wanted to share that with you guys and give you hopefully some ideas too of how to cook for yourself, maybe for just you and your roommate. I know it can be kind of tough. I love leftovers, thankfully, so whatever I don't eat, I just save the next day for lunch. But yeah, I hope that this was helpful, and if you guys want more videos about cooking for one, cooking at home, what I eat in a day, it's nothing too crazy, but I'd be happy to do it. Yeah, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Peace out.